Welcome to Google Classroom tutorial. The purpose of this video is to help you sign into your child's Google Classroom. First, you need to sign in using your child's school email account. Next, go to the Google Apps located in the top right corner and find the classroom. Once you get to the classroom, you will see the classes your child has already signed into. Hit the plus sign and enter the class code provided by your teacher. Click Join. Once you join, you see the practice class that I've created. If you come across the top to classwork, this is where you will find your child's assignments. Thank you.